put a link to this latch. The important thing is that it's galvanized so it doesn't rust out again. In the pack you'll get a latch and an arm, and you get 6 galvanized screws. Use the impact driver to get the old screws out, but it doesn't always work. The screws are soft because of the rust, so you may have to use leverage to get them out. Here you can see it's stripped out the old head of the screw. Ideally, I'd use a block of wood against the post to stop it damaging the post, but this post is fairly gnarly anyway, so. Check the placement for the new latch. You can do this by eye or mark it with a pencil. With this gate in particular, I have to put the latch between the horizontal slats for the arm to then fit the latch. Don't be tempted to use the old screw holes. You'll need to make fresh ones for the screws to bite. I've pre-drilled new ones here just to make sure things are in the right place. Put the latch on first with 4 screws, then put the arm on. Just be careful not to strip the screw heads with the impact driver. Here I'm just using the screw to mark the hole. It would be easier if I used a bradawl, but it's pretty cold and I need to get this job done. And there you go, one new gate latch fitted and working. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to be notified of more helpful fix make videos. Thanks for watching.